Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to fix YouTube video pause continue watching problem or YouTube video pause automatically problem. If you want to solve this problem, please follow the step. Step 1. Long press or long tap in YouTube application. Go to apps info. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Step 2. Open Play Store. Go to search YouTube app. Update your YouTube application latest version. Step 3. Restart your device and again open it. Step 4. Again open your YouTube application. You can follow all of the steps to fix YouTube video pause continue watching problem or YouTube video automatically pause problem.